Hey guys, today we are going to learn about Revolve command manager, Revolve boss or base command manager. So we are going to make this. I'll teach you how to do this. First of all, click on I am closing this and I'll be again starting. Sorry. First of all, go to sketch, select front plane. As I always prefer front plane. Then make it as normal. After making normal, then go to line command. Make a line. In this, you have to make a shape only. Using that revolve command manager, you can make a symmetric object. So to make that roller type, you need to draw like this. Okay, to make a 3D or to use a features command manager, the surface should be closer surface. If you see like this, then the surface is closed, and if you see like this open, this is surface open. You can't create 3D object, or you can't use features command manager using this open object. The surface must be closed like this. It is closed surface now. Click on OK. Now to use of to use this revolve command manager, you need one axis line and a surface. This is our surface, and the axis line, go to line command, use a center line and make a center line like this. Right click, OK. Now our surface, our this diagram is completed. Now go to features command manager, click on extrude. It is automatically taking, and it is extrude, and it is revolve. Now you can change the degree also, like if you need lesser degree, then you can make, for example, okay, first of all let's make 360 only and click on OK. Now through that line, first of all you can see the line. From this line we have made a circle like this object, and you can see the distance between this lower line and this one. I'll say you again, this line and this line is our radius value. Now go to revolve and click on edit features. If you need to edit this, then you can go there. I'll show you again. Go to revolve, right click it and click on edit feature. Now here the angle is 360. This is angle and this is 360. I'll make it as 270 degree and I'll click on OK. Now you can see the angle is decreased to our 1% is gone. Let's make another object to make another diagram to make you clear about revolve. So I am going to delete this, delete, OK, and I am going to delete this sketch also, delete, OK. Now let's go to sketch, then let's select this front plane. Now select line, let's draw rectangle. It is closed figure, and let's draw one center line for the revolve axis. What I was trying to tell you is the distance between this and this line is our radius value. So make it as 15. Click on OK. Now you can imagine, if you draw a rectangle, then you can make a circular section. Go to features, revolve it, click on OK. Look how easy it is. This is our isometric view. Sketch, sorry, smart dimension, and see this. This one is our radius. We have given the distance between this center and this is 15. So we drew this. I hope you understood revolve. Now meet you in the next video. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe. Thank you.